Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a free, attractive, and job-winning resume with the help of Canva and ChatGPT. In today's competitive job market, having a standout resume is more important than ever. It's often the first thing a potential employer sees and can make or break your chances of getting hired. But creating a visually appealing and effective resume or CV can be a daunting task, especially if you're not a design expert. That's where Canva comes in, a free, easy-to-use graphic design tool that can help you create a professional-looking resume in just a few steps. And with the help of ChatGPT, a powerful language model trained by OpenAI, you can also get expert guidance and suggestions for crafting the perfect resume that highlights your skills and experience. So whether you're a recent graduate, a job seeker looking to switch careers, or just someone who wants to update their resume, this tutorial will walk you through the process of creating a resume that will help you stand out in the job market. Let's get started. To understand faster and better, follow the steps along with me. Scroll down to the video description and open the Canva Resume Builder link in a new tab. Click the Restore Down button on both pages and adjust them for a better view. If you are watching on a smartphone, switch to split screen and follow the steps as shown for PC.
After adjusting your tabs, in the top right corner of the Canva web app, you can see the login and sign up options. If you already have an account, just log in. If you are new to Canva, click the sign up button to create a new account where you will get a bunch of options to sign up. After logging into Canva, search for your desired resume templates in the top search bar. For example, if you are a content creator, search for Content Creator Resume. The search will fetch you hundreds of pre-built templates. Here, you will get some free templates, but they don't look professional, and some appealing templates are available only with the paid subscription. So, first of all, find and select an attractive template. When creating your resume, try to make it simple, attractive, and easy to understand for someone. Don't fill it with garbage. On the top right corner of the Canva dashboard, click on the Create a Design option. Search for Resume and click on the first option. A blank canvas will be loaded. From the left side panel, click on Background. On the left top corner, click on the palette icon, then click on the plus icon, and on the bottom, search for 0912ED. The background will be changed to navy blue. Now, click on Elements from the left side panel and search for Gradient Rectangle. Go to Graphics and select the first rectangle. This is a gradient rectangle, meaning that the color of the rectangle changes gradually from one end to the other. You can see that we can apply 4 different colors to this rectangle. Stretch the rectangle to the size of the canvas. Now select the first color box on the top and click on the plus icon. Type the color code 7B78F4. Select the second color box and type the color code 4D4AFD. For the third color box, type the color code 4FB0F6. For the last color box, type the color code 20BCF6. Now the gradient is ready. Pull the gradient towards the left and stop at the center. Add a capsule shape from the left side panel of Elements. Drag and adjust it to the size of W6, H9.4, and adjust it below the top left corner. Now, add a circular frame from the Elements. Drag the frame to adjust it in the capsule. Below the photo frame, we will add the name of the resume holder. Go to Text, add a text box. Write your name, change the font style, search Plastica. Select the font, and edit the font size to 25.4. Copy the text box, drag downwards, and edit to add your own text. Here, we are going to create for a content creator. So we will add and adjust the text. Now add your profile by adding a new text box. Change the font to Josephine Sans Bold and text size to 16.4. Now, go to ChatGPT and ask to write a resume profile for your preferred job. Copy the output. Go back to your canvas, add a little bit of body text box, and paste the text copied from ChatGPT. Change the text size to 12.4, and the alignment should be justified. Now just drag and adjust. First, add your contact info after creating your profile. To do this, simply copy and edit the profile text. On the right side of the page, you can add your skills, education, and work experience. To start, copy the titles from the left side and drag them to the top right. This will make it easier to design your document in Canva. You can save time by copying and pasting text from previously created documents. Once you've duplicated your profile text and dragged it to the right, edit it to highlight your skills. This should include the main skills that you possess, as well as those required for the job you're applying for. If you need help identifying these skills, ChatGPT can provide a list. Once you have your skills listed, click the List button to convert them into bullet points. Next, you can add a gradient bar from the Elements menu. Change the colors to navy blue and adjust the size to match the text size. Duplicate the bar and adjust it for each skill you've listed. Then, duplicate the bars again and change the colors to white. Use these bars to indicate your level of experience for each skill. After you've added your skills, you can move on to your educational background. To do this, copy the text box from the previous section and edit it to add your educational history. Be sure to include any relevant certifications as well. Finally, add your work experience at the bottom of the page. Now, your perfectly crafted job-winning resume is ready to be submitted. If you would like to add decorative elements to the background, you can do so by going to the Elements section, searching for circular lines, and adding the element to your Canva design. Adjust it to your liking. If you want to add more skills, education, or certifications, you can do so by clicking the Add Page button and including the relevant information on the new page. At last, it's time to add your picture. To do so, upload your photos and simply click on your photo, then drag it to the frame. Your resume is now ready. Just click the Share button and download it in your desired format. It would be much better if you download it in PDF format. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a resume in Canva in just 5 minutes. Additionally, if you need a more professional and personalized resume, our team of experts is here to help. We understand that each individual's career goals and experiences are unique, and we take pride in creating customized resumes that effectively showcase your skills and accomplishments. Contact us today to learn more about our professional resume services. Thank you again for watching.